Hey, I'm Noah Grimm and welcome to Music Store TV. Today I'd like to talk to you about the T-Rex FatShuga. Let's check it out. Think of the T-Rex FatShuga as two pedals in one, a boost and a reverb. Use the cream knob to give you more or less overdrive cream, and then use the room/hole switch to choose a type of reverb and the knob beside it to control the amount. It's really that simple. Now let's check out how these controls actually affect our sound. Now if you still have any more questions on the T-Rex FatShuga, then feel free to leave them in the comment section below or visit our website for more information. If you don't want to miss any of our new videos, then be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time guys, keep rocking!